Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at a circular saw blade storage rack. It's made by Fulton. It holds up to 8 saw blades, and this is the box that it comes in. And here's what comes inside the box. There doesn't appear to be any instructions, but it looks pretty straightforward. This would be the piece that goes in the back, I'm guessing, and it comes with the necessary hardware, and these would be the 2 side pieces. So I'm going to put the rack together and I'll come back and let you know how I made out. And here's the finished rack. It only took a couple of minutes to put it together, and there's really only one way that it can get put together, so it's very easy. For the dimensions, you've got about 3 1/4 this way, 9 1/2 this way, 7 1/2 this way, and about 12 1/2 from top to bottom. So it's designed to hold 8 blades from 7 1/4 to 12, but this is a 6 1/2 inch blade, and that fits on there. So we got the 7 1/4. It will also fit multi-packs. This is a 3-pack of 7 1/4 inch blades, and that will fit in there in the blister pack. And also, of course, then a double pack will fit in there as well, and that's in plastic, not just saran wrap, and they all fit in there without any problem. And I don't have a 12-inch blade to show you, but the 10-inch one, of course, will fit in there, and you can get a general idea of how much room you'd have for a 12-inch blade from the 10-inch one. So I can't think of too much else. It's made in Taiwan, according to the box. And if you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to ask. And thanks for watching.